Did you know that Seneca, one of Rome's wisest philosophers, was also one of its richest men? He owned vast estates, advised emperors, and accumulated enormous wealth. Yet he wrote that true riches come not from what you have, but from needing very little. This wasn't hypocrisy, it was wisdom. Seneca understood something most people miss about money. Wealth becomes a prison when you're afraid to lose it, but it becomes a tool when you're willing to let it go. He taught that the poor man is not the one who has little, but the one who craves more. The Stoics knew that external things don't create happiness. Your relationship with them does. You can have money without being owned by it. You can enjoy success without being destroyed by its loss. The secret is simple but hard to practice. Hold everything lightly. Appreciate what you have. Prepare to lose it all, because when you stop needing things to make you happy, you become truly free. And that freedom is the only wealth that can never be taken away.